So today we're talking about something seriously exciting, the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT. Now, if you're someone who loves raw American muscle, loud engines, aggressive looks, and that old-school power feeling, this car still carries that DNA, but with a modern twist. The moment you look at this car, you instantly feel its presence. It's wide, low, and muscular, like it's ready to dominate the road even while standing still. Dodge didn't try to completely change the identity here, and honestly, that's a good thing. They kept that classic Challenger shape but refined it with sharper edges and a more aggressive stance. From the front, the grille looks more menacing now. It's wider, slightly more angular, and paired with sleek LED headlights that give it a modern but still aggressive face. The hood is one of my favorite parts. Those functional air vents are not just for looks. They actually help cool the engine when you push this beast hard. Move to the sides and you'll notice those wide fender flares. They make the car look planted and powerful. It's like the car is hugging the road even before you start driving. The 20-inch performance wheels add to that stance, and when you see it rolling, it just looks mean at the back. Things get even more interesting. There's a redesigned LED taillight setup stretching across the rear, giving it a modern signature look, but still keeping that classic muscle vibe. Add a spoiler and rear diffuser, and you start to realize this isn't just about looks, it's about performance and aerodynamics too. Now let's talk about what really matters. The heart of this machine, under the hood, the 2026 Challenger SRT, is an absolute monster. Depending on the version, you're looking at a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine pushing close to 797 horsepower. That's insane. This isn't just fast, it's brutally fast. When you hit the throttle, the response is instant. The sound alone, deep, aggressive, and loud enough to turn heads from blocks away. It's not just a car you drive, it's something you feel. You also get multiple driving modes. So whether you're cruising in the city or going full performance mode, the car adapts. The suspension adjusts, the throttle response changes, and everything becomes sharper when you want it to. Handling has improved too. Now let's be honest, this is still a big muscle car. It's not a lightweight sports car, but Dodge has worked on making it more stable and more controlled, especially at high speeds. Adaptive suspension and high-performance brakes make a huge difference when you're pushing this car hard. Step inside and things feel surprisingly premium. The interior is a mix of performance and comfort. You get materials like Nappa, leather, suede, and carbon fiber accents. It feels sporty, but also luxurious. The seats are heavily bolstered, so when you take corners at speed, you're locked in place comfortably. The driver-focused cockpit is something you'll appreciate immediately. Everything is angled toward you, making it feel like you're in control of a serious machine. The steering wheel feels thick and sporty, and behind it, you've got a digital display that shows all your performance data. The infotainment system is modern, responsive, and easy to use. You get smartphone connectivity, navigation, and all the features you'd expect in a modern performance car. Space-wise, it's still a Challenger. The front seats are great, but the rear seats, well, they're more for occasional use. This isn't really a family car, it's built for driving pleasure. Safety hasn't been ignored either. You get modern driver assist features, including stability control, traction systems, and various assist technologies to keep this powerful machine under control. Now let's talk about the price, because this is where things get interesting. The 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT is expected to start somewhere around $65,000 to $80,000 depending on the trim and options. But if you go for higher performance versions like Hellcat or fully loaded models, the price can easily cross $90,000 or more. And honestly, for what you're getting, nearly 800 horsepower, iconic design, and that raw muscle car experience, it still feels like a strong value compared to many high-performance cars. What makes this car special is that it doesn't try to be something it's not. In a world where everything is going electric and silent, this car still celebrates loud engines, aggressive styling, and pure driving emotion. It's not perfect. It's big, it's heavy, and fuel economy is definitely not its strong point. But let's be real. Nobody buys a Challenger SRT for fuel savings. You buy it for the sound, the power, the presence, and that feeling when you press the gas and the whole car comes alive. And And that's exactly what the 2026 Challenger SRT delivers. A raw, unapologetic muscle car experience, just the way enthusiasts love it.